Learning arterial pulse. Arterial pulse, it is the pressure wave generated by the ejection of the blood into the circulation by the left ventricle. Whenever heart contracts, the blood collected in the left ventricle is forced out into aorta. This generates a wave in the peripheral arteries which is felt on palpation. While taking pulse we measure rate, rhythm, volume, and character of the pulse. Let's understand each of these terms. Rate. It is the number of the pulse occurring in 1 minute. Whenever heart contracts, blood in the left ventricle is pushed out of the heart into arteries. The blood creates a wave in the arteries, which is felt over these arteries. Each heartbeat corresponds to each pulse felt. So, if we get 18 pulse in 15 seconds, then we multiply the number of pulse with 4 to get beats occurring in 1 minute. That will be 72 beats in 1 minute. Now let's understand rhythm. Rhythm describes how regularly or irregularly the heart is beating. If the heartbeats occur after equal interval of time, then the beats are said to be regular. Whereas, if the beats are not regularly spaced in time, it is called irregular beats. Pulse rate and rhythm are important indicator of arrhythmia. In conditions like sinus tachycardia and bradycardia, the heart rate increases or decreases respectively, but rhythm remains normal. Whereas, in conditions like ventricular fibrillation and AV block, the heart rate and rhythm both may change after each beat. Understanding volume and character of the pulse, the ventricles fill during diastole. Longer diastolic intervals are associated with increased stroke volume, which is reflected by increased pulse volume on examination. A large pulse volume is a reflection of a large pulse pressure, which can be physiological or pathological. Low pulse volume may result from severe heart failure and conditions associated with inadequate ventricular filling such as hypervolemia. Character of the pulse describes the amplitude of the pulse. Let's see following examples. A collapsing pulse, also known as water hammer pulse, may occur with severe aortic regurgitation. This occurs due to huge difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure. A slow rising pulse, in this scenario, amplitude of the wave pulse is gradually increasing, and is a feature of severe aortic stenosis. Pulsus bispherians, in this case an increased pulse with a double systolic peak separated by a distinct mid-systolic deep is seen, and is classically produced by concomitant aortic stenosis and regurgitation. Pulsus alternans, in this case, beat-to-beat variation in pulse volume with a normal rhythm may be seen. This may occur in advanced heart failure cases.